Hey guys, it's me again, Hollywood Wear. I'm showing you today three new pairs of pre-owned shoes that I got from the Real. So if you are interested, stay tuned, join me, and look and see what I got. I love pre-owned. I have my pre-owned bags, and I actually got some shoes, and I wanted to show you. I got some designer shoes. I got a couple of Jimmy Choos and a pair of Fendi's. I'm trying to do something different. I'm trying not to have heels so high. I really want to wear some heels that I can wear that'll be comfortable, that I can wear, longer than just a couple of hours without feeling like, okay, my feet are just killing me. So anyway, so I decided to buy a couple of maybe shorter heels, 3 inches or less, or some wedges, different things like that. So anyway, like I said, I love pre-loved stuff. I actually got some from the Real. I decided that they are going to be my go-to place for pre-owned shoes, pre-loved shoes, because they have excellent quality, and their prices are great. Just wonderful. So anyway, I just got these in, so I did want to show these and share these with you. So the first ones that I'm going to show you the Fendi first, and then I'll go through the 2 Jimmy Choos. So it came in this box, Fendi box. Okay, was very happy about that. It actually had the pricing and everything. So these shoes originally were $615. So I want to show you what I got. They are lovely. I really like them. They were different. That's kind of another reason why I get pre-loved shoes, because I feel like they'll be different. I'm not gonna see them all the time because maybe they were something somebody had, and it may not have been as popular. I don't know. I love them, so I decided to get these. Okay, and I hadn't seen these before, so these are great. I love them. They're I'm gonna say a 3-toned color. So it actually has this green at the bottom here on the feet. I love that. Kind of like I don't know what kind of material that is. It feels like a brocade, something like that. But it has the red leather here, and it has the black strap, a little short heel. I think the heel height is about 3 inches, 2.75, 3 inches, somewhere around there. But I just love it because, it has a Fendi name on the inside. It's in really good condition. I wear a 39.5, so that's what I got. And then in the back, if you can see, can you see that? It says Fendi on the heel. I thought that was great. I love it. It's just a little something. So it doesn't have a lot of, there's no Fendi anywhere, no monogram or anything, just a little bit of something right there on the heel. I just love that. It has the Fendi there on the straps. Can you see that? There's one gold one and one silver one, and it has the Fendi F's, and I mean, they're just lovely. So I'm gonna show you these 2, how they look on my feet. Also came in this dust bag. So you see that came in the dust bag. It had the 2 pair. So yes, I'm in love with these. I can't wait to wear these. So when I get an outfit and do a mod shot with these as well, then I'll post those as well. Okay, next ones up are Jimmy Choo. I got these Jimmy Choos. They actually did not have a box. It just came in the dust bag by itself. Okay, and these are great because they're another one. They're like a really short heel, something that I really wanted to be able to wear again for the summertime, springtime. Summertime's coming around, ladies. So get your pedicures done, get your toes out, get some cute little strappy sandals, and work it. Okay, I am ready. So I got these black Jimmy Choos. I love this little detail. Ties up the ankle. Look at that little heel. Just a nice Nice little heel. And another one in excellent condition. I get it in size 39.5. Super soft leather. Oh my goodness. I love, love, love these shoes. Look at these shoes. They look like they have never been worn. I'm sure they wore them maybe once or twice. I think the lady said that she had only wore them like a couple of times for short periods of time. So they're in excellent condition, has suede in the back. I just love these. These are gonna be now my favorite shoes. I really think so, because for the summer, I'm gonna be rocking these all the time. Wear it with a little bit of gold and black and gold. Yeah, so let me show you what those look like on the feet. Okay, so I did a little tie in the back. Tie it in the back, you can tie it on the side, you can wrap it all the way. But yes, honey, those I am loving those. Got a little tie, it's all leather. I love it that it's all leather. The ties are all leather. It's super soft, super comfortable bow. You can go around doing your shopping, go errand running, get a little short at the same time. A nice little crazy short skirt. Definitely gonna work. These are gonna be my summer shoes. All right, so that was that pair. I'm super excited about those. So next up, my last pair that I want to show you guys is these here. These Jimmy Choos came in this box. Okay, also from the Real. The price on this one originally was $4.95. I got an awesome deal. Like, I literally got an awesome deal. I think I got these shoes at like 70% off. It was crazy, crazy, crazy. I think all three shoes together, I got them for like $200. One was what, $615. I don't remember what the regular price on the black ones were. These were $500, like super steal, and they were in excellent condition. Okay, so it has the bag, the paper in it. So I'm gonna take off the paper and see what surprises we got in here. Oh, got myself a wedge. Gorgeous, gorgeous. I love it. I love the little plate that says Jimmy Choo on the inside. Again, another just real subtle, not a lot of like no kind of monogram, anything, nothing. Nobody will even know when they're on your feet, but you know you are wearing quality. Again, another pre-loved pair in excellent condition. Look like they have barely been worn. Another one, I think she wore these one time to an event, and then she didn't even keep them on the whole time. Wonderful, wonderful. I love this. It's like a gunmetal kind of metallic. I love a metallic shoe. Okay, let me tell you about a metallic shoe. To me, is like a neutral. Like, you can wear it with anything. So I love something metallic. So it looks great, in great condition. I think it has like a little bit of little scuff right there, but I am okay with that. You can barely even notice. So, all right, so let me check these out, put these on my feet, and then that way you guys can see what these are looking like. Again, that came in a dust bag as well. So got the dust bag, 70% off, got a good price on it, love it, wonderful. So I'm excited, super excited about my shoes. Gonna add this to my shoe collection. I'm starting, just like my purse, my luxury purse collection. I'm gonna start on my luxury shoe, designer shoe collection. So continue to join me for more of these lovely shoes. I'm gonna post some mod shots with me in the shoes, some different outfits that I'm wearing with them. But all in all, I'm very, very happy with my purchase from The RealReal. I'm not sponsored by them and in any means, but I did have a great experience with them. You know, you can return an item if you wanted to, if it's not to your liking. But I'm very, very happy with my purchase, and I will definitely be getting more shoes from them, and I will be making more videos. I love that you guys have joined me today. Please give this a thumbs up if you liked it. Subscribe below. I would love to see you come back again. I'm going to be posting every Monday. More coming as time goes on, but for now, every Monday. So please subscribe and join me again. And you guys have a great day. Thank you very much for joining me today.